Day 1, December 3rd. It's barely 6 a.m., but I'm already up and out and about because of a date with Mr. Chan, a crab farmer on Yangcheng Lake. I'm super excited for my date. If you're super excited too, hit that like. I'm driving toward Xiangcheng District for my date. Actually, it's not really a date. It's more like a gathering because Mr. Chan, his fam, and his pals are gonna plant some new fence posts in the water to get ready for the next breeding season. And I'm tagging along to record this little endeavor and hopefully show you guys a day in the life of Chinese Mitten crab farmers. During this time of the year, breeders like Mr. Chan would usually still be busy catching and selling crabs, but not 2022 because the extraordinarily hot summer earlier severely hampered the crab's molting process. And some sources say that the general catch this year has reduced by approximately 50%. So I guess Mr. Chan just decided to put an end to business this year and instead start preparing for next year, beginning with repairing fences in the lake. Hopefully I'll get to capture as much as possible during the upcoming year and ultimately put together a story about the Chinese Mitten crab farmers of Yangcheng Lake. Today is day 1 of that story and I'm about to meet my protagonists. Yeah. 那就是我的朋友陈先生。
我十分幸运能够遇到陈先生，他和夫人都是阳澄湖岸边同一个村子里的人，从小看着这汪碧水长大。他们养蟹有20几年了，经历过大闸蟹产业的几个阶段。陈先生的父亲陈老先生也是老渔民，从小就跟阳澄湖里的鱼虾蟹打交道。在这村里，一个户口有资格租用10亩的湖域，因此现在陈家2代的2户，一共有20亩的湖中养殖区。分配蟹池的时候运气很好，陈先生抽到了最外围的片区，那里的水质好，所以蟹也好。不过呢，每个硬币都有2面，外围虽然水质好，但风浪也大，需要格外频繁的更换围网，而换网之前需要换桩，那就是当天的任务。看，那这是断掉的桩头，那个位置的围网会比较松，围网的底部缝了小兜，里面装着石头，起到固定的作用。但刮起大风大浪，也可能会把围网冲开，给了大闸蟹逃跑的机会。为了解决漏网之蟹这问题，陈先生会在围网的外沿摆放一圈地笼，同时通过地笼里是否有蟹，还可以监测哪部分的围网松开了。当然，其他时候还可以用来捕鱼之类的，一举多得，体现出劳动人民的智慧。不过，虽然劳动人民充满智慧，但有些劳动是替代不了的。例如，在40度的炎炎夏日之下卷水草，再比如在风雨交加的冬天打桩头。当天的风浪着实有点大，尽管我看了天气预报，但低估了湖上的气候变化，脸冻僵了，连话都说不清。
That small boat was the one I was riding on. It's mainly used for tasks like feeding and catching the crabs. This big boat is chiefly designed for construction works because it's big enough to carry more people and those long bamboo fence posts. Right now, Mr. Chan and his pals are hammering bamboo fence posts into the water. They use bamboo rather than other materials for several reasons. For one thing, bamboo has a very high strength to weight ratio. And compared with metal posts, bamboo has cost and weight advantage, so they're cheaper to use and they're easy to transport and install. For another, bamboo is a natural material, so that minimizes any pollution risks. And compared with another natural material, wood, bamboo is also lighter and cheaper. Plus, bamboo grows faster, so it's actually even more sustainable than wood. The hammer they use is a big block of stone attached to this bamboo handle. it's pretty heavy. I think it has to be around 20 kg. And those guys, they're beasts. They've been hammering it the whole time.
During a span of about 3 hours, the pile of bamboo stanchions shrank. These bamboos came from nearby Zhejiang province, and each cost 17 yuan. A total of more than 600 would eventually be planted. On that morning, 170 posts were driven into the lake bed. The plan was to continue installation in the afternoon, but the rain took a turn for the worst. And so after a scrumptious lunch prepared by Mrs. Chen, the guys hit the road, and so did I.
Wow, that was an unbelievable first date with Mr. Chen. Or I guess it should be gathering with Mr. Chen and fam and pals. Got all the shots I want, then had this scrumptious lunch with everyone, and even taking home a case of Chinese mitten crabs wrapped right in front of my eyes. What an incredible day one of the story. Remember to come back for the next episode. 再见